In this video, we're going to show you how to log into Amazon Sumerian from the AWS console. We'll also show you how to switch between AWS regions. All right, let's get started.
When you log into AWS, you're going to see something like this. Notice that I am in the Oregon region, or US West 2. You can search for Sumerian down here under the AR/VR section. I could click that to open it. I can also just type in Sumerian. I need to type it correctly, and then I just enter it, and this will automatically take me into the Sumerian dashboard. Now, remember, you are probably not seeing all what I'm seeing here. These are other projects and other scenes I've worked on. I can also change regions still from the Sumerian dashboard. Now, if I go to something like Asia Pacific Tokyo, I never operate out of that region, but if I want to, I could click on that, and I'll probably, once I do that, I'll probably see something more like you're used to seeing, or what you might be seeing, which is starting from a blank page. There's nothing here. There's no other existing scenes or drafts. So I can always switch regions once I jump into the Sumerian dashboard. Also, notice that essentially these kind of act like somewhat separate accounts. And so I don't have the same scenes in the Oregon region as I do Tokyo or Virginia or elsewhere. I'm going to go back to the Oregon region, and I'm going to click Create New Scene. And I will type in something like Intro Course Live. And I will click Create. This is how we can start our first scene. It'll load a new scene for us, an empty scene with nothing but a gray background and a grid in the middle. That's it for this video. I hope you join us on our next video where I will show you a quick overview of the Sumerian user interface. All right, hope you join us then.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments of this video. If you haven't already, please join also our Sumerian community on Slack at slack.sumerian.world.